Quick Revit for beginner number 11. Revit create first floor. We have set up the working area and element. Let's start modeling. We will start to create the first floor. To create floor, click the floor button in Architecture tab menu. Once the tool active, Revit will show you new highlighted Modify tab. This tab contains drafting tool for many purpose. But this time we will create floor. Make sure that the working plan is in the right floor. You can see in the Property tab and panel. Once everything is correct, you can start drafting. Create object in Revit starting with drafting mode. This mode provide drafting tool like line, rectangle, circle, etc. For example, we will create first floor using rectangle. Click the rectangle drafting tool. Click the first rectangle point and finish the draft with click in the opposite rectangle area. For now, finish the draft and click the green mark in Modify tab. The first floor slab created. Now try to create another slab. You can offset the floor level height using offset property from Property panel.
Subscribe, like and share if this video useful. Thanks for watching.